Yep, you're on.
No.
Here's Drew Lenz
Stop.
and Dad.
Stop it, Dad.
Fished at Lenz Lake today. Went for an hour. Got 4 bass. We're letting the bass out.
You'll get one. Hold this.
Hey, you want a video and I'll get one?
I'll get one.
They'll splash you.
I don't care.
They'll prick you.
Frick yeah, I'm not getting one
I
then.
know. And they're wild. Whoa!
Don't drop your phone.
Yeah. Hey, here you go, Drew man. Wait, you get a video. Okay, come on, grab them.
Okay, help me. Help me. Let me get him.
Okay, go ahead.
I can't see.
Hey,
Okay,
I got the video. Show me them. Show them to the camera.
Woo!
Yeah.
Can I throw him in?
Let me get back so I can video.
Hurry, he's wobbling.
He's what?
He's wobbling. Can
Look,
I throw him in?
yeah, look him up so I can see him. Yeah, okay, throw him in.
See ya, backflip. Going.
See ya. What do you mean? You went to the bottom right away.
Why?
He's scared to death of you. Here, hold this in video. This one's got leopard skin on him.
What's leopard?
Okay. This is a nice one here.
Look at this baby.
Here. Here, let me video.
I can't. I don't want to get this guy. Here, hold it. I can't.
Get him.
I can't because you're holding the good part.
The good part? What's the good part? Okay, got him?
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta back up. Yeah.
Hurry.
Okay.
Look at this.
Look at that. What'd you say? You didn't say sucker, did you?
Yep.
No, don't say that. Let's show him up here real good. Let me see.
Why can't I say sucker?
All right, flip him in there. That's a good one. That's a keeper there.
Oh, let's keep him.
No, throw him in. You wanted to. Throw him in.
See ya, buddy.
No,
That one swam away fast.
here we go. Let's get 2 more.
Get 2 more. Oh, baby. Oh.
Got him?
Ah,
I thought you had him.
finger.
Get him. Oh, Lord.
Cut my finger. It hurt my finger.
Here, try him again. Got him?
Mm-hmm.
That's a keeper.
That's a keeper, all right.
Okay, flip him in the water. Throw him here. So.
That guy's gonna die. Hurry, Dad. Dad, I don't think we can get this guy out.
Look at him. He's flipping around in there.
Yeah.
Here. Get him. Grab him.
You want to go back in your home, buddy? Okay.
Set him free, right? Let me see him good. Show him up here real good. Let me see your face. Are you happy? Good day today?
Yep. Okay, buddy. Ready to go back in your